Sarson ka saag with Makki ki roti, or mustard greens curry with cornbread, is more the Punjabi tradition deeply rooted in our culture. Often enjoyed during the winter months, this dish warms the soul and brings families together. Let's dive in. First, let's prepare the saag. Start by making the tarka, the aromatic base. In a chopper, finely blend 4 to 5 garlic cloves, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 2 to 3 green chilies. Next, heat 3 tablespoons of Desi ghee in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the chopped mixture to the pan. Sauté until it's lightly browned, releasing those rich aromas. We're using instant pre-boiled mustard greens, easily available at your local Indian or Pakistani grocery store. Season with salt to taste, cover, and let it simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. And just like that, your saag is ready. Now let's move on to making the Makki ki roti, or cornbread. Start by preparing the dough. Add 500 grams of yellow corn flour to a bowl. Sprinkle in a 1/4 tablespoon of ajwain and 1/2 tablespoon of salt, followed by 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well. We'll be using around 250 milliliters of lukewarm milk, but add it gradually to get the perfect consistency. Gently mix everything and start kneading the dough. Adding milk as needed. As you can see, it's not sticking together yet, so keep kneading for around 5 minutes. Now let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before kneading again. We'll repeat this for 2 to 3 sessions, allowing the dough to bind properly. After the rest periods, the dough should be smooth and sticking together well. Now, form the dough into balls. Cover them and let them rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. Warm up your pan or tawa on low-medium heat and lightly oil it. Gently flatten the dough ball in your hands, being careful not to press too hard. Place it on the pan and softly spread it with your fingers, ensuring it doesn't tear. A non-stick silicone spatula can help make it more even. Turn the heat to medium and make sure not to thin out the roti too much, or it might break and dry out. Adding a little oil, cook both sides until you get a nice golden brown color. Repeat the process for the other rotiyan. Your Makki ki roti is ready to be served alongside the saag. Top it off with a garnish of Desi ghee or butter for that extra flavor. Sarson ka saag with Makki ki roti is a classic winter comfort food that's perfect for family meals, and the ghee on top makes it even more irresistible. Be sure to check our other videos, and as always, have a wonderful day.